Hello everyone, and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos today. As you can see in the title, I'm going to be doing some electrical work sort of on this car, some bit of diagnosing on this car, to say at least. Now, this car has the rear, has 4 electric windows, but only the 2 front windows work. So, I'm going to diagnose what is actually the problem with the windows. I'm pretty sure I know what it is already, without even doing any work on the car. And my guess straight away is going to be bad wiring in the B pillars down here. I'm guessing straight away the wires are going to be cracked and not making a connection anymore. I think the switches and the motor are going to be fine. I'm guessing it's the wiring. But I'm going to show you a few diagnostic checks first to make sure it is that before you go into taking the car apart first. But before I do that, I'd like to say, if you wouldn't mind, can you subscribe to my channel? Like, I've noticed recently, a lot of viewers to my channel don't actually subscribe to my channel. So, it would be great if you could actually subscribe to my channel. You see here, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I have the switch here. I've unplugged it from the ground here, see the hole. And what I'm going to do, get this hairy, dusty cable. I'm going to cut it into strands. There we go. Get it and cut it into strands. And quite simply, I'm going to bridge, so I'm going to leave the switch in, like that. And then I'm going to bridge from each pin. That I need to. I should only need 3, I would imagine. I'm going to need this, 1 for the power, 1 for the ground, or 1 for power in each direction and 1 for the ground. I'd imagine, hopefully. And these switches are a bit different compared to the old ones. The old style switches, plug in from the top like my old car. The terminals, like I'll show you one in a minute, are much bigger than these. Now if I gently pull this out, like so. Now, that one is the one we need, and this one right here is for the window. Now if I pull this out, oh, see how big, oh there, it's this. You see how big the terminals are on this one compared to the other window. Again, when they updated the new switches for the front, but left the old ones in the back like the older style. Again, like I said, we're going to need just 3 wires. We don't need this one. This is for illumination. So we just need 3 wires to bridge from the front. First things first, let's identify the brown. Now, don't have to worry about these wires being live because they're not live. I know these wires aren't live, so I don't have to worry about bridging anything at all. Right, that's brown. So I then need one on the bottom pin here. So the next one can go on the bottom pin. That could be enough. Might need a bit more wire. Perfect. And now we just need to get one more wire prepared. But now on this side, we're going to have to make sure it does not touch the other terminal. Actually, that is going to be touching a little bit. The wire on that one. There we go, it's better. The top one is only illumination, and we touch it to the ground, so not going to be anything too bad. Let's go back on the bottom. Right, gently push this back in. Right, perfect. So we now have this switch temporarily wired up-ish. Let's pull this up. Right, I think, yeah, it's a brown. This will only go in one way, I believe. I think, yeah. So that goes in that way round. Which means brown is this pin right here. And it's on the double, we said. The double one, non-stripe. So that's in this one. And that should be in this pin right here. I don't know if I can see the switch from back here. Just about. And then the green and black. Is that green and black? Yeah, green and black. On the single. So green and black. Let's have a look here. Goes up to the middle single pin. So that should be the single one here. So we're going to come in from this side. It should be this one up here. Pull it through a little bit. There we go. That looks horrible, but it should do for testing. Make sure they're not going to touch. Do not want these wires being anywhere near the touching, so we're going to push them apart. I'm going to shove, hopefully, a bit of insulation between them two. And hopefully this all stays put while we move it into position. Boom. That's kind of connected. If they can ignition on. Right. Voila, look at that. The window is working. My bridged wires. Just to prove a point that it works on this switch as well. So use my bodging. Press the button down. I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you like, and subscribe to my channel. Help to see this channel to grow, and again more quality content comes out. And as you know, my new camera refill, so I'll be using it today, my little GoPro. So hopefully with now 2 cameras, I can use them both, and you get a bit of an idea of what I'm doing. So once again, it's been on a drive, and I'll see you in the next video.